Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix your Roku camera that is not recording the events. So if the motion alerts appear but there is no clip that gets saved, or the camera suddenly stops recording people, motion and the sound events, these troubleshooting steps can usually solve the problem quickly. So many of the Roku cameras require an active Roku smart home subscription for the cloud event recording. Without that subscription, the camera may still show you the live view, send the basic alerts and appear online, but the event clips may not save automatically. So make sure that you have the subscription available. Now, once you have it, if you are still facing this particular problem, you need to simply fix it via the Roku Smart Home application. So you need to open the app, and inside it, you just have to simply check for the motion detection, the recording schedules, and the sound events, and the event recording settings, and also the detection sensitivity. Now, sometimes the event recording gets disabled accidentally after the updates or the app changes. So make sure that the motion detection option is enabled. Now, weak internet connection is also one of the biggest reasons why Roku cameras fail to upload the recordings. So if you have found that the signal that you are using is unstable, you can just simply move the router closer to the camera, or make sure that you try to reduce the interference or reconnect the camera to the Wi-Fi again. The poor upload speed can stop the event clips from saving even when live view still works. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your Roku camera is now recording the events again. Thank you.